play. 1 week after meeting you, I called my brother Cole and I bet $20 I was going to marry you. Your giddy laughter, indescribable handsomeness, and infectious personality swept me off my feet. Couldn't help falling in love with you almost instantly. We grew together and became an unstoppable team. A team that always chases adventure with endless Tahoe ski trips, the place where we had our first kiss under the chairlift, got engaged, and where we undoubtedly lose whatever sports bet we place. Today with you, I'm the happiest person in the world. Today, I also won the only important bet of my life, my bet on you.
Caroline, no matter the times I've spent imagining you walking down this aisle and standing here before me, nothing could have prepared me for the magic of this moment. Falling in love with you was the greatest story of my life. You captured my heart with your infectious smile and laughter, your ability to light up a room, your intelligence, your beauty, and your passion for adventure. The affection I hold for you as a partner has always been matched by my appreciation to have you as my best friend. I can't wait for this journey to begin. I love you with all my heart.
Unbroken circle representing unending love. As often as either of you look upon these rings, may you be reminded of this and the love you have for one another. I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Christensen. You may kiss. Ooh, thank you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Caroline, you are one of the most kind, caring, loyal people I know. You have become a best friend to me and my wife, someone we can count on and always look forward to being around. Well, my wife and I are excited to grow old with you guys and create more memories together. And let's give these two a proper skull chant.
Their happiness radiates, making you smile. Witnessing firsthand how they support one another is such a treat, for you can't help but believe in a fairy tale love story.